The EMA 50 truly is presently at $0.001, which certainly is very huge. The $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar truly is areas of strength for truly that the EMA 50 truly is presently at $0.001 in a quite huge manner. Spell United States dollar certainly is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a sort of large manner. Bears control spells really current cost activities, which certainly is very huge. 16 December 2023, in this video we will in every way that really matters, walk you through by and large spell fundamentally token cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly essentially got clarification on some things, facts. What generally is somewhat transient cost expectation for fundamentally spell token, for the most part is especially spell a kind of wise venture, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell commonly token help and obstruction levels and so forth in a fundamentally large manner. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the spell specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, which truly shows that generally spell sort of token help and opposition levels, and so on in a really significant manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,599,597,582,709, or so they sort of thought. The sort of all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $55,060,451,724, so spell United States dollar explicitly is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in a huge manner. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%, showing how 16 December 2023, in this video, we will truly walk you through generally spell in every practical sense. Token cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly by and large clarified some things, facts, what certainly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for fundamentally spell token, essentially is generally spell a genuinely wise venture, which truly is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time span in a fundamentally significant manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 1.63 and right now exchanging at 62 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.78% in esteem, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions really demonstrate that the market generally is going in a by and large descending bearing for especially transient in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a sort of broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Spell especially token help and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an extremely enormous way. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers most certainly become in every practical sense, all the more by and large dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any and every way that really matters, further in an unpretentious way. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in an in every practical sense, large way. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of explicitly spell genuinely token, spell, truly spell genuinely token execution, The cost of basically SPEL pretty token, SPEL, fundamentally is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72. Following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period, which essentially is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while certainly complete market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how 16 December 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through truly SPEL, kind of symbolic cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly certainly clarified pressing issues, facts, what really is especially transient cost expectation for in every practical sense, SPEL token, sort of is for the most part SPEL and especially wise venture. Which truly is very huge. There in a real sense are practically 103,446,920,678 essentially are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, exhibiting that however prior to jumping especially profound into the SPEL specialized examination, let us discuss the kind of current economic situations, which truly shows that all things considered. SPEL exceptionally token help and opposition levels and so on in a huge manner. SPEL certainly token value examination truly SPEL cost examination for 16 December 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period, basically made sense of beneath, exhibiting how right now, a kind of broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a kind of large manner. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to fundamentally investigate the future development of the SPEL token, or so they sort of thought. While SPEL's Williams %R pointer truly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signals certainly is really conceivable at this reach, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The SPEL United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity MACD marker fundamentally is demonstrating a by and large present moment, for the most part sell extremely signal, as the MACD line basically is moving underneath in every practical sense, signal line which truly implies explicitly bears certainly are ruling on the lookout. So while SPEL's Williams %R pointer generally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange sign truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, which essentially is very critical. According to the cost investigation, the SPEL cost may generally